Welcome to my channel. My name is Hassan and I like to build things. This is a brushed brass electric button panel for the elevator that we recently did a mod on. So I decided to do like an art piece, basically. Put a frame around it. As you can see, I put a little frame together with the walnut finish. I used the poplar wood, miter joints. I took out all the buttons and the numbers, and in this clip you'll see me spray painting with the primer. I did one coat of primer, and then the next clip I did, you'll see right now, it'll be one base coat of black. It's black enamel. No, I believe I did 2 coats in this one by mistake. So what I do is I put a heavy coat. Second coat is heavy, and in the next clip you'll see what you do is you take this and you just sand the surface. And now in the next pictures you'll see everything coming together, and also integrated electrical, where when you pull the emergency button the top light and the alarm light comes off. And this is the hole where I 3D printed a battery holder, a 9-volt battery holder. And this is my beautiful 3D printer. It's Monoprice Select. Forgot the exact name for it, but 8x8 inch platform is phenomenal. You can pretty much print anything on this thing. And unfortunately, I was always used to 123D design software program, and since they discontinued that, I'm starting to use the Fusion 360, which is not easy, but it's workable. I guess it'll just take me time to get used to it, and I'll just let you enjoy this little 3D print. I only recently started 3D printing, I think since last November or December, I forgot. But I'm getting good at it, and you'll see a lot of this in my other videos. And this is me fitting the 9-volt battery from the rear of the panel. It slides right in, and the cap pops right in there. And the panel is finished. It's ready for mounting. I want to thank everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe.